Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We have the last two of the week for May. This is part 8. We'll be looking at May Patreon 2024 for D&D War Gaming proxy, just for like Warhammer and also figures as well. Sorry, excuse me. Had a lot of taco for Taco Tuesday. So yeah, if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And we'll be looking at some of the stuff that we haven't looked at for a very long time. I am trying to find some stuff to actually uh, to make a lot because we have an extra day after this. So for this print, but we'll be looking at everything in here, two parts. So part 8 and then part 9, and that'll be it for the month. So we'll be looking at Labyrinth Wolf. They do a lot of animal type STL files for it. And usually when you pay for it, you get the whole thing, like the Greyhound, the European Robin, and stuff. These are a figure, or you can make it smaller for it. Or you can do the Jumping Spider story. I'm guessing that's one of the cover that he's going to print out as well. Very nice prints for it as well. Print and paint miniatures. I haven't looked at this for a long time. They do a lot of busts and figures as well. This would be a good proxy for probably one of the Great Unclean Ones or one of the Nurgle armies if you're interested as well for it. All the links for this will be down below for you guys in description as well. Just letting you guys know. Duncan Shell, another D&D figure. It looks like we got some halfling. Try to find a whole thing for this month. This one's probably for your Fallout campaign if you do Fallout for D&D. I think a couple people did. I know they made a regular one as well. There's a lot of stuff like frogs, mouse, halfling, some jellyfish fungal thing as well, and you could have this giant hill giant as well. So there's a lot. Polywick Studio, another figure as well. I think they're doing Bullywog, I believe. Yeah, that's 2020. Wow, I don't think this guy has done anything since November 19th, 2020. So, I don't think I don't know. Print that goes ever on. They do a lot of Lord of the Ring one for this one. If you do any kind of Lord of the Ring style, but I think you use a lot of these for your what you call it STL files for your old world for your Bertollis. Uh, might be a good one for you guys. So yeah, and you get your Lord of the Ring. I know they make a new box sets for it as well. But some of these you might be interested on using your old world or your Lord of the Rings, depending what you're looking for. Goon Master, they do a lot of stuff. Wandering Possums. So you have possum just with a bard-like possum, but this is the May one. We have rabbit folk, giraffe folk, and your bases for that. Bella Notch Miniature. They do some loot figures. They do some pretty good figures, and they do a lot of stuff for D&D as well. Like for example, like this. A dryad or a nymph on man eating plants, stuff like that. So I don't know what May is. So you can't have a witch dancing around a campfire without a fire. So it's making a witch of some sort. What the hell, metal creation? Um, this guy hasn't been on for a while, so I'm gonna skip it. The Lion's Tower, another figure, but also a nice proxy. Hasn't done anything since a while, so they used to do pretty good D&D stuff. Rocket Pig is no more. Asgard Rising Miniature. They do a lot of Viking type miniatures. Last time they did something was 2023. Nova Minis. I think they're still doing it. They have the Arcane Tower Complex. They also do a lot of other D&D stuff as well. I think they're mainly doing main release Hobgoblin squads. So if you need Hobgoblins, this might be it for you guys as well. But I think Artisan Guild has a lot better Hobgoblins in my opinion for it. And the throwback. for it. Borea, June sneak peek. Let's see if we got some May ones in here. I don't see any May ones. They do a lot of D&D. They do the baby Albert that you see so much around the what you call it on YouTube, where people doing paints. They're gone. 10 troll miniatures. We got for May. Some stuff you can actually use for Old World for Bertolli's if you need some archers. There you have it. We got some orcs, human, peasants, mutants, undead, and your bust here as well. Orc King is gone. A lot of people are gone. I know SwanNet's not doing anything this month. Valvictus Miniatures. I haven't looked this in a while. Let's see if we can find the whole thing for May. Is April release. I don't see the whole May release. They do a lot of D&D stuff. Oh, I don't know why it does that. So you got your scripts, your rat folk. If you're interested in getting rat folks for your old world, I know the Skavens are part of that, and also Age of Sigmar. So if you're interested in that, you can get that. You can get this big lusty babe with tits with serving you a cake, jester, and a plague doctor, and stuff like that as well. So this might be something you wanted to get for your old world. I don't know Skaven's part of the old world. You're gonna have to let me know on the comments below. May discount code 2023. Wow, they haven't done anything in a long time. So Scarts Mundus is terrain, and that's 30 for April release. I don't know what the release is going to be for May, but I'll put it down if you need some terrain pieces for your game. Gloomy Kid is gone. Wow, they're freaking much gone. I gotta unsubscribe a lot of these. Codex Universal. This is from April 9th. So they really don't have anything. Punga Miniatures. I think this is Blood Bowl. Yeah, this is Blood Bowl. They're doing gnomes next. June Warband WP Tree. I seen a lot of people play Blood Bowl. I just never really got my head around Blood Bowl, in my opinion. So if you're interested, we got Toxic Goblin Blood Bowl for it. If you're interested in doing Blood Bowl, this might be it for you. Unholy Trinity is no more. Wow, Jordy's gone too. Avatar of Wars. This is another like old world style as well. You have your black orcs for your old world. If you want to get some black orcs for your game, this might be it. I might actually pick some up for my orcs as well, because I just had another orc stuff that I need more orcs for my game. G Sculpt Art. They do figures. I don't know what they're going to do for May. Nimble Final Image. They do very good sculpts for it, if you're interested in certain type of figures. A lot of times they're very sexual as well. Drunken Dwarf. They're pausing and they never resumed. So Drunken Dwarfs no more. Mythic Bowl are a studio. They do, as you know, Blood Bowl. And I don't see anything for, well, they have May. Oh, this is May team. Necrotic. So you have some undead for your Blood Bowl if you're interested. And that'll be your June release over there as well. 3D Printing Realm. We got second STL. Looks like a lady wrapped around a snake on a throne. And this is the first one as well. They're gone. A lot of people are gone. Probably not making it. I do try to support as much as I can, but I don't have a lot of money. So, you know, May is out, but we don't know what's going to be in May. We know this one is one of the preview, the Ogres. I think they do proxies as well for creation. They do proxies for Age of Sigmar and what you call it, Age of Sigmar and Old World as well. For example, you know, your goblins. Black Remnant. This is for Star Wars. I don't see anything out for May for Star Wars for it, but I'll leave it down the links for you guys. 3DXM, they do figures and like Funko Pops kind of style as well. If it loads, it should load without a problem. Okay. Let's see your Invisible Woman. I got plenty of Invisible. You got Nami for your, like your Funko head style. Sako. This is May right here. Lion-O. STL Creator Sampler. Nuka. Oh, and Neon. I would love to get that. But that was back in September 2023. I don't think they make it anymore. But yeah. Realm of Path. This is another Bloodful for Skavens. If you're interested on that. We're going to go through a lot. And we'll go through a lot more for later on as well. As discount model. This one is Saki 3D models. For this month, I believe is Daimao, Sasuke with the curse mark, and Levi for this month. And gold tanks as well. It looks like Urahara. Urahara, witty scientist. So yeah. Yashi Kojin Studio. Looks like D&D figures. I can't remember every single one. That's 30th. Is that Evil Mage release? Got some Town Folks for it, but I'll leave it down the link for you guys. Almost halfway through this part, and then we'll get to it. Primal Beast hasn't released anything in a while, so Baxter 3D. There's mostly this woman, Luscious, for your D&D campaign as well. Gotta get load up faster for it. I don't know why Battle.net is doing that. Come on, load faster. Or am I just, there we go. So you have Angels for this month. Cobra Mode. So we had other D&D figures. They do a lot of Oriental style as well. If you're into that. There are a lot of people like Ninja and paint stuff like this. And you have your ship for your 3-month loyalty. Yep, they're gone. Nutskiller. TPK. I think TPK doesn't do much anymore. I've already done that. Moid. I did some of those guys paint. I paint some of these miniatures myself. These are like proxy, like battle mechs, and for your Warhammer, for it. Just letting you guys know. I think kind of like this one. I did one of these. It's very intricate. There's a lot of little parts in it. Just letting you guys know. But check out Moid. Moid is pretty good for it. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.